Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can refund games on Epic Game. Now remember, you can only refund a game if you have not crossed the 2-hour threshold, which means if I bought a game, then I can refund it within 2 hours. After 2 hours, I can't, right? Now to do it, what you need to do is this. You need to go into epicgames.com. So search for Epic Games, and after you search for Epic Games, click on it. Click on the first option, it'll take you to its official website. You can click on this option and log in into your account. Once you log in into your Epic Games account, click on this option again and click on over here where it says account. Once you click on account, it's going to take you to your Epic Games account. From over here, you can see this option called transitions. Click on it. Click on transitions, it's going to show you all your transition. You want to choose the game which you want to refund. Let's say I want to refund Dead Age. I can click on this arrow right beside Dead Age and then it's going to show me this. From over here, I need to choose request refund. Then I need to choose a reason on why I want to refund that game. After I choose the reason, I can click and confirm refund and the game will be refunded. Now remember, this only applies if you have bought the game for like 2 hours, okay? So I hope you understand how you guys can refund games on Epic Game. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.